Welcome back to Razmavsar TV. I'm going to show you the techniques of a Neyze in slow motion. Neyze is a very good weapon. You see that I twist and turns around my hat. The reason is to use the power of the shaft and at the same time make sure that I threaten my opponents with both sides, with spear head and spear butt. It is crucial not only to rely on one side. You see, this is what was a trapping, put and thrusting with like a khanjar at a short distance. What I did. The speed is still high, although I put it in slow motion. This is a heavy shaft, but as you can see, my hands are now by now very used to it, so I can really use it like a very light one. So you see, I go and hit, and you can use the Neyze, and you should push it down. You see, you use the shaft to deflect, you use the shaft to block, you use the shaft to attack, you use the shaft also to defend. Multiple purposes, and also to trap. So here you see that I change it, make sure that you keep constantly changing the sides you attack. That's the whole idea for working with an Neyze. And then once it gets really dangerous, push it down, push the whole weapon down, and it brings down everything which is in its way. And these top down guard, we are put it like this on top, is very good. Make sure that you stretch your arms when you use this, because it is very, very important to make sure that you keep distance between the shaft and your head. This is the part of this guard to make sure that you have a good defense system and a good defense line here. So this is, you see that I just even can turn it and with one hand, although as I said, it's quite heavy. So here's up from top down thrust. So you see that. So you go and I use it and you make sure that you attack. You see, this is the attacking with the shaft, upward push with the shaft, and then I did a wheel kick after a feint, another wheel kick. I don't recommend doing it at this moment. The wheel kick, I mean, you need to really master it to integrate it with the weapon, with any weapon. But it's a very surprising attack anyhow. So you see, I keep attacking, and then you push and make sure that you attack from all sides. So it goes down. So this is a thrust after you twist around your head, upward thrust, and this is what I mean, another upward thrust. This is a very surprising attack by Neyze. You see, I push it down with the shaft. That's what I mean. And now you keep attacking and threatening with both Bonanese and Salinese, spearhead and also spear butt. Remember, spear is both a thrusting weapon and also a cutting weapon. So it's a cutting spear if you want it, a cutting lance, like naginata in Japanese. So you keep attacking. You see, this is what I meant. Use the shaft to push down and use the leverage. This was shaft defense and then a front kick. Very good combination. Yeah. This was again wheel kick. Here's shaft strike. Okay, another feint and another wheel kick. So here is a thrust and then a side kick, another thrust. After the thrust, you can do a side kick, is very good. And now you can even, you see that, handle it single-handedly, wield it single-handedly. Once you have the power, you can do that. And upward strike, you see that that's also very good when you use the leverage of the shaft of your neyze, of your spear or lance, to bring it up and down. This is the best defense because it just cuts through the attacking line of your opponent's weapon. Fluid guard system, so I can use different guards when I constantly move the neyze and don't get stuck in one position. You see, this is pulling it down. Thank you very much for visiting my channel.